My name is Ashton Nagel, and I am an undergraduate student at the Iowa Pork Industry Center. Today, I will be talking about environmental enrichment for open pen gestation sows. Environmental enrichment is an improvement in the biological functioning of captive animals, resulting in modifications to their environment. It increases positive species-specific behavior and reduces abnormal or negative behaviors. It is categorized into 5 groups: social, physical, occupational, nutritional, and sensory. Methods for environmental enrichment include strategic housing, food treats, toys, music, different lighting, and many others. On the side, you can see a picture of an example of an occupational toy. Open pen gestation is a system in which sows and gilts are housed in groups. Due to legislative changes, some producers are moving to open pen gestation or group housing rather than individual gestation stalls. During mixing, unfamiliar animals will engage in aggressive interactions to establish a social hierarchy. Environmental enrichment can help redirect and minimize this aggression. On the side, you see a picture of what an open pen gestation system may look like. Environmental enrichment increases positive behaviors such as play behavior and decreases negative behaviors such as tail biting, ear biting, and sham chewing. Environmental enrichment offers animals a choice about how to allocate their time and behaviors, which in turn reduces stress, improves production, and improves overall welfare. On the side, you see a photo example of what pigs engaging in play behavior may look like. In a recent Iowa State University study, the number of wounds on open pen gestation sows was measured. Sows in the toy group had significantly fewer wounds than sows with no toy, as shown in the figures below. The types of environmental enrichment include social, which is other pigs or people. The picture above shows an example of a group housing system. Physical, which is altering the environment to be bigger or more complex, such as adding gates to a pen. The picture above shows what adding gates to a pen would look like. Occupational, which encourages exercise or physiological activity, such as hanging objects or toys. The picture shows an example of a sow playing with a commercial toy. Nutritional, which is something edible, such as a non-essential trait. This picture is an example of a potential non-essential trait. And lastly, sensory, which appeals to one of the senses, like music or lighting. Adding environmental enrichment to open pen housing can help reduce aggression, boredom, and stereotypical behaviors. Examples of environmental enrichment include commercially purchased toys, rope, small amounts of peat in a feed rack, nutritional treats, and many others. It is important to use environmental enrichment during high-stress times, such as moving or mixing, rather than providing it all the time, as pigs can adapt to it. It is also important to mix up environmental enrichment methods to prevent adaptations. Biosecurity must also be considered. Strategies must be able to be sanitized and be safe for the animals. These are the resources that I use to produce this information and where you can go to find more information about these topics. This information was created as part of the Improving Pig Livability Grant supported by the National Pork Board and the FFAR. For more resources like this, go to piglivability.org. Thank you.